Hi students, now you are watching 7th Mathematics 4th Unit Exercise 4.2. The Exercise 4.2 deals with the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Let us see one by one. First one, find the sum minus 4, minus 5 by 14 and minus 6 by 14. Now we have to find the sum of these two numbers. Right? Here both the denominators are same. So that we can directly add both. Minus 5 plus of minus 6. Minus 5 plus into minus minus. 6 by 14. Both are minus. So we have to add 5 plus 6, 11. Minus 11 by 14. Next B. Minus 9 by 13 plus 11 by 13. Minus 9 plus 11 by 13. 11 minus 9, 2. 2 by 13. Like this, please do the calculation for remaining 4 in the Maths HW. Second one. Add the following rational numbers. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 25. Here both the denominators are same, so that we are easily add the numerator. Let us apply the same formula here also. 1 by 5. 5 into 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. So 1 by 5 is equals to 5 by 25. Right? If we cancel 5 5, then it will be 1 by 5 only. Na? That is the reason. Now both the denominators are same. Therefore, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 25 is equals to 5 by 25 plus 3 by 25. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 25 is the answer. In the same way, D. I am going to explain D. I explained A, right? Now I am going to explain D. First one is minus 1 by 6. Here it is 18. Minus 7 by 18. Denominator is 18. So to make it the denominator 18, we have to multiple 6 with 3. So minus 1 by 6 is equals to minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus 3 by 6 3s are 18. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 by 6 plus minus 7 by 18, that equals to minus 3 by 18 plus minus 7 by 18. So, the denominator will be 18. Minus 3 plus into minus minus 7. 3 plus 7, 10. Minus 10 by 18. Now if you wish, you can cancel here. 2 5s to 6. Answer will be minus 5 by 6. Okay. Same way, do the remaining 4. Now let us move to the third one. Find the sum of the following rational numbers. Both are same. But here let us do by taking the LCM. Okay. LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. If you don't know, do it here on the right side of the page. 2 3s 5. Yeah. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 5 5s 25 plus 6 4s are 24 minus 25 plus into minus minus 24 by 30. 24 plus 24, 49 minus 49 by 30. Minus 49 by 30. Okay. I did a small mistake here. 2 5s, 2 9s, right? So answer will be minus 5 by 9. Okay, it's my mistake, ma, sorry. Next, third question we are doing now. Let me explain question C. Minus 15 by 26, 11 by 65. Okay. Take the LCM. 26, 65. 13 twos. 13 fives. Okay. 13 twos are 26. 26 fives are. So the LCM will be 130. 13 twos are 26. 26 fives are 130. Okay. Now 26 fives. 15 fives are 75 plus 130 divided by 65. 5 twos, 5 six. 5 ones, 5 threes, 13 twos. So 65 twos are 130. 2 into 11, 22. Now 75 minus 22 minus 53 divided by 130. Okay, minus 53 by 130. So here denominators are same, so simply we add the numerators. Here to make the denominator same, we multiply with one number to the both numerator and denominator to the other number. And here we are doing by using LCM. How I did, in the same way you have to finish the remaining problems. Next, fourth one. Find the sum of the following. Minus 3, 1 by 4 plus minus 2, 1 by 8. They have given the form of a mixed fraction. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So first number is 13 by 4 plus 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 8. 4 and 8. What's the LCM? 8. 13 twos are 26 plus minus 70. Minus 26 plus into minus. Minus 17 by 8. 26 and 17. 13, 2 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 43 by 8. That is the answer. But this is the answer. But how they give the question? They give in the form of mixed fraction. No. So let us convert the same into the mixed fraction. 8 5s 43. Okay. So how to write it? 5 3 by 8 minus 5 3 by 8. Next, like this same, do the remaining things. But for C and D, they give 3 digits. No? Okay, I'll explain C also. 3 by 8 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. What's the LCM? 8. 3 plus 2 4s are 8 now. 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. 2 3s are 6 minus 6. 3 plus into minus 4 plus into minus 6 divided by 8. 3 minus 10 by 8. That means minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8 is the answer. Now, let us move to the fifth one. The fifth one is regarding subtractions. Here they give simple subtractions. No, both the denominators are same. Copy the question. 9 by 12 minus 5 by 12. For both addition and subtraction, the process is same. Okay. So, both the denominators are same. So, the LCM will be 12. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 by 12. 4 ones, 4 threes. The answer is 1 by 3. Next, let me explain C. 5 by 18 minus 4 by 18. 5 by 18 minus, okay. Let us take LCM. Minus 5 by 18. 5 minus of minus 4. Minus into minus plus. 5 plus 4 divided by 18. 9 by 18. 9 ones, 9 twos. 1 by 2 is the answer. Simple now. So, let us move to the sixth one. In this exercise, whatever all the questions I left, you have to do them in the maths HW. A. Same, subtract minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. So, how to do this? Minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Will you write like this? No, if you write like this, you will get a wrong answer. If it is addition, minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 4. But in subtraction, minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is not equals to 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 by 4. That is the reason you have to make sure how we have to use the subtraction. Because minus 3 by 4, what they said? Subtract minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2, you have to subtract minus 3 by 4 from 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 4. Like this you have to write the question. First of all, you must understand the question. Then only you can get the proper answer. Now, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1, 2. Minus into minus, plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 4. This is the answer. See, if you directly write like this, you will get exactly wrong answer. Okay. Next. Same way, B. Minus 7 by 18 from 2 by 9. It means how to write this? 2 by 9 minus of minus 7 by 18. LCM is 18. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus, plus 7. 11 by 18. By this, exercise 4.2 is completed. Do the remaining problems in the maths HW. In this same video, I am going to continue the multiplication, exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 deals with the multiplication and division. As you know, as you already learned fractions, how to multiply two fractions, how to divide two fractions. That is the reason I am not giving any explanation prior to the exercise 4.3 and I am directly skipping into exercise 4.3. So, first one, find the following product. The first question is, find the following product. Product means multiplication. Minus 3 by 5 into 10 by 27. How we have to multiply? Numerators can be multiplied. And at the same time, denominators can be multiplied. 3 tens are 30. Minus 30 by 27 5s. 27 5s. 7 5s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 135. 135. You can cancel here. 5 6. 5 2s are 10. And here 5 7s are 35. 3 2s, 3 9s. So what is the final answer? Minus 2 by 9. . Same way. B. 4 by 5 into minus 25 by 44. So kids, you may get doubt, madam, we can multiply here, we can cancel the question here itself. Of course you can do it, you will get the correct answer also. But why I am multiplying is just because so that you will learn the multiplications, because they ask us to find the product. No, that is the reason we have to multiply. Minus into plus, minus 25 fours are 100 divided by 44 5s, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 to 20. 0 0 cancel, 2 5s, 2 11s. So answer is minus 5 by 11. Minus 5 by 11 is the answer. Same way, second question also. Do C and D in the maths HW. Here they give 3 products. 2 by 3 into 9 by 11 into minus 44 by 63. First, let us multiply these two. 9 2s are 18. 11 3s are 33 into minus 44 by 63. So, here it is a very big calculation. In this type of situation, you can cancel here itself. Don't multiply 18 and 44. Okay. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. Next. 9 2s are 18. 9 7s are 63. Okay. Now calculate. 4 2s are 8. Minus is there. 8 by 7 3s are 21. So the answer is minus 8 by 21. Now I am going to explain B. Minus 18 by 65 into minus 13 by 27 into minus 45 by 26. Okay. First take only 2. Minus 18 by 65 into minus 13 by 27. Okay. 13 ones, 13 5s. 9 2s, 9 3s. So, minus into minus plus. 2 divided by 5 into 3, 15. Now, this product multiply with the third one into minus 45 by 26. Again cancel it. 2 ones, 2 13s. 15 ones, 15 3s. So, final answer is minus 3 by 13. Understand? Now, I am moving to the third one, division. Minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 4. Okay. Minus 2 by 3. Division becomes multiplication. 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 by 3. Simple na? Same way. Minus 9 by 7 divided by minus 11 by 14. So minus 9 by 7, division becomes multiplication. 11 by 14 becomes 14 by 11. 7 ones, 7 twos. 9 twos are 18. Minus into minus plus. 18 by 11. Every time we have to reverse the second number. First, not the first number. Okay. Remaining two questions you do doing the maths HW. Find the value. First one. minus 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. Minus 3. Division will become multiplication. Minus 1 by 3 becomes minus 3 by 1. 3 3 is a 9. Minus into minus plus. Answer is 9. B. Okay, let me explain D. D. 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 1 by 4. Mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4. So sorry, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 divided by 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Minus 13 by 4. 3 by 2 into minus 4 by 13. 2 1s, 2 2s. 3 2s are 6. 16, sorry, 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 by 13. That is the answer. By this, exercise 4.3 also completed. What are all the questions I left in this exercise and exercise 4.2? Do everything in the Maths HW. In the next video, I will explain exercise 4.4. Bye.